evening, my people. This is Toyota Big Daddy 2003 model. The car is very good. You can see the engine is running. You can hardly hear the from the blinking. It's V6 engine. Neatly used. The car drives like Tokunbo. It drives so smooth, just like Tokunbo. You can see the car. The interior is very dope. The car is very dope. This is chilling. You can see the money. It's just 173. This is very chilling. Even at home, the car drive just like Tokunbo. So just bring your money, come and buy a better thing. See the car. The car is dope. Very clean. You can see. It is very nice. Doesn't have any accident history at all. So if you need better thing, you can see the car is very good. Doesn't have any accident history. Guys, it's very good. You can see the locker. Everything is very light. And it's going for shaking money. Bring your money, come and buy better thing. You can see the car. Dope. This is the chain. The engine is running now, so you can hardly hear the sound of the engine. So you can see the car here. So bring your money and come and buy a better car. The engine and gear is 106.